Hi guys, it's Dean Wenzel, and I want to show you a little bit more about how to use the color wheel, but today it's going to be around complementary colors. When you take one color and you match it up to another color, it really adds a real pop, and that's why we call them complementary colors. And so when you're doing a painting or any kind of artwork and you use these combinations of colors, man, they really have a beautiful view to them. And so using the color wheel, and I've already done a color wheel tutorial on primary colors, and you can check that out on my channel. But today it's about complementary colors, and the way it works is using your color wheel. We have this outer rim of colors here, and if you were to take and look at a color wheel and just look at one color and go to the opposite end of the color wheel, that's where you'll find your complementary colors. And so real fast, in this case, if you take a red, the complementary color of red is green. If you take a yellow, I can come around here. If I turn around here, yellow, the complementary color of yellow is violet. If you take a blue, well, the complementary color of blue is orange. And I don't know if you've ever noticed those before, but an example of that would be, say, a painting here. Complementary color of yellow is purple or violet. And so what I've done is I've taken purples and violets and different tones or shades of those, and I created this piece right here. And it's just a kind of a cool, visually, a cool combination of colors. You know, orange and blue are complementary colors as well, and here's an example of orange and blues together. And so they really have a real attractive combination of colors. And so that's a quick tutorial of complementary colors using the color wheel. Again, color wheels are very common. You should get those, Google search it, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, click the like button, add your comments. I always love your feedback, and let's keep this going.